Howdy friends, here's an update. This is a short video on this zipper that I installed on these two front pant legs. As you can see, it's muslin, you know that. Now this was a practice experiment, and as we know, for those of you who are really good at making pants and building jeans and all that kind of stuff, you know that getting the zipper on is a big part of the process, of the building process. So I'm going to point out a couple of things. I'll start down here at the crotch seam. Now I was able to jury rig this so it looks pretty good, but there was a bit of an issue there. And I'm telling you that because that's where I kind of made an error, but fortunately I was able to fix it by just trimming off a little bit of cloth. The other thing is, both these pant legs are not the correct size. There was too much up here on both of them, and when I cut this one back, I cut too much. There's the top of the zipper tape, and I haven't exactly stitched it right down. I never started stitching until here. But as far as the zipper went, I did get it on. And there you can see the two pant legs and how that goes. That's pretty much the bottom of the zipper there. That's how that looks. So it was a really good practice session for me, and I learned a lot, again, doing this. And I'm going to be working on another one in the next day or two while this is still fresh in my memory. So I'm really pleased with the progress I made. Obviously, it's not a perfect experiment, but I learned a lot. Again, this is probably only maybe the third or fourth zipper I've done, probably the third. And I've never done two close together. So I'm going to concentrate on doing zippers for the next week or so that I can get at least two more done, hopefully, maybe three. And I'm hoping and praying a little too that if I do a few more, I'll get them up to snuff. Clearly, if I had the pant legs cut at the correct size, that would have solved a lot. But anyway, I wanted to just get in touch, say hi, show you what I was playing with. And I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, having fun. And we'll chat soon. I'll be doing another pants zipper, fly zipper video in the next week anyway. So there you go. Thank you, my friends. Ciao, amigos. Later.